This stretch of Lineville Road has transformed since the spring. I'm your Howard neighborhood reporter, Perry Apostolakos, here where business owners are thinking about what the next phase of this multi-million-dollar project means for their customers. Despite having some loyal regulars, employees at the bottle room say it's been a slow summer and fall.
Definitely a lot slower than it has been in the past. We get calls a lot asking if we're open, or people will call from like the other side of Howard asking us how to get here.
Construction along Lineville, now from Cardinal to Velp, has dragged on for months. And while that chunk of work ends next month, new work will start next year. Catherine Forrest owns kitchen supply store Season to Taste and says she's already brainstorming how to draw customers when the construction begins in front of her shop.
At the very least, you know what? You deserve a free cup of hot coffee when you come in.
Acknowledging it's been tough for businesses, Forrest does believe the project to expand Lineville will be worthwhile.
And if you try to get out and take a left onto Lineville in the afternoon here, it can be really dicey. So it'll be really nice when it's widened and there's some more stop signs.
Michael Pascenti with the Brown County Highway Department says if there aren't any major setbacks, the $9.5 million project could finish ahead of schedule and within budget.
I know we've been impactful on business, and we tried to minimize that, along with looking out for the safety of the workers that are out here.
In less than a month, the current construction on Lineville should be done. The next phase, construction along Lineville from Velp to 41, begins in the spring.
Be patient. The workers are all doing the best they can as fast as they can.
The final stage of construction is set to finish by mid-November 2025. In Howard, Perry Apostolakos, NBC 26.